In this video, we are going to add products into Shopify store by using n8n, and we will fetch those products from the Google Sheet. So I have data in the Google Sheet about the products, and we will add them into the Shopify store by using n8n. So let's get started. The first step we need to add is on chat message. So whenever we give the instruction, we will use this chat model. And for this, we will use AI automation. And from here, we will use AI agent. Okay, this is connected with chat trigger automatically. So whenever we type anything over here, this message will be sent to our AI agent and it will respond accordingly. So I cleared the previous chat and now I need to attach a chat model with our AI agent. So you can add any AI model. There are different AI models like Grok, OpenAI, Anthropic chat model, and Azure and Versal, whatever you would like to add. In my case, I will use OpenAI chat model. Okay, you need to connect your account with this chat model. I have already connected my account, and from here you can select the model, which model you would like to use. I'm using ChatGPT 4.1-mini. So now my chat model is attached with my AI agent. So if I ask any question, AI agent will use this chat model and respond me accordingly. So if I say, hello, how are you? And my name is Faz Ahmed. I send this message to AI. So, and he's saying, hello Faz, I'm doing well, thank you, how I can assist you. But if I ask my name again, what is my name? And I don't have access to the personal information about you unless you share it with me. So it does not remember what I told it in my previous message. I told that my name is Fayaz Ahmed, but it does not remember. For that, we need to attach the memory. So we will attach simple memory and we will keep the setting as it is. So now if I tell him my name, okay, my name is Fayaz Ahmed and how are you? So this time it will remember my name and hello Fayaz, I'm doing well. And if I ask what is my name, again it will tell me your name is Fayaz Ahmed, how I can assist you, because we have attached the memory. So for if you attach the memory, it remembers your previous chat and answer you accordingly by using chat model. Okay, now we need to attach this Google Sheet with our agent. For that, I will use Google Sheets and I click on this Google Sheet, and operation I will use get rows. Of course, you need to attach your Google Sheet account over here. It's very simple. You have to log in with your Google Sheet account and it will fetch all your Google Sheets over here. So operation, we would like to get rows, and which document you would like to use. I will use products because my document name is product. And sheet, which sheet you would like. If you have multiple sheets, it will give you the name. I have only one sheet which is also named product, so I will choose the same product sheet. Okay, now I have configured in this Google sheet. Now I can ask question about my Google sheet data. So if I ask how many products I have in my Google sheet, so it will read your Google sheet and find the answer and use the ChatGPT model and send you the answer. You have 30 product list in your Google sheet, and if you need detail about specific product or category, feel free to reach out. So you can see we have 30 products over here, and it has given us the right answer. Now the last thing, we need to attach another tool to add these products into the Shopify. So I will click this plus sign again and use Shopify module, Shopify tool, and you need to connect that your store with the n8n. I have already done that, and if you don't know how to do that, you can watch my other videos. So resources, I will use product, and operation would be to create product, and in the title I will use this ChatGPT model title. And if you need to add more fields like a body HTML, I will use the chat model as well. And if you want to add tags, I will use the chat model to find out the tags from here and add them into the products. So if you need to add more like vendor, use the ChatGPT model and you can add as many fields as you need. So now we have attached the chat model, memory, and the Google Sheet. Now we can ask this AI agent to add products into our store. So let's say I ask, can you please add first product into Shopify from my Google Sheet? So our first product is Essence Mascara Lash Princess. So let's see what our AI agent will do. It uses the chat model, then it uses the get row node and find the answer, compile the data, and edit the product into the sheet, and we get the response over here. The ID of the product, this and so on. The first product, Essence Mascara Lash Princess, has been successfully added in your store. So if I reload and check my store, you can see we have a new product, Essence Mascara Lash Princess, added in our store. And you can see the tags, you can see the description as well. And similarly, you can see the brand Essence. Okay, can you please add next 5 products into my store? So this time it will add 5 products. It has our instructions, compiling the data, fetching the data, and using the agent, adding the products into our store. So the next 5 products from your Google Sheets has been added to your store. These 5 products has been added, and if I go to the products and to verify and reload the page, and you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 more products added into our store. So you can grab your data and put that into the Google Sheet and leave the rest of the things to your n8n AI agent, and it will handle all the data. You don't have to compile the data, and you don't have to manage the data according to the Shopify layout. Your AI agent will do the work for you. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.